Taxi 312, make left close traffic, keep it tight if able. You're inside of a T-38 on a 13-mile modified right base.
All right, we'll try to keep it tight and make it left traffic for 16 left, Taxi 312.
Taxi 312, pattern altitude 1700, please.
All right, we'll do 1700, Taxi 312.
And did you want to stop and go, sir? Is that correct?
Affirm, Taxi 312.
Okay, that's not going to work in front of a T-38, so expect 16 right and turn your base behind the T-38.
All right, we'll expect 16 right and turn the base behind the T-38, Taxi 312.
Taxi 312, report the T-38 in sight.
All right, report in sight. Hopefully I can do better this time, Taxi 312.
Not a problem.
This is going to be a full stop for 59 Zulu.
Cessna 59 Zulu, roger. Cessna 59 Zulu, continue right close traffic.
Right traffic, Cessna 59 Zulu.
Taxi 312, runway 16 right. Turn your base within 2 miles of the airport. Runway 16 right, cleared, stop and go. Traffic T-38, 6 mile final for 16 left.
All right, just to confirm, you want us to turn in front of the T-38 now, Taxi 312?
In front of the T-38, he's still on 5 mile final. Turn your base within 2 miles.
All right, we'll turn base within 2 miles in front of the T-38, Taxi 312.
Can you turn your base now, sir?
Yeah, we're turning now, Taxi 312. We got a Cessna above us here.
Yes, sir. He's at 23 going to meet you.
All right, thanks.
Taxi 312, make the base now.
We're base turned now, Taxi 312.
046 line star. Taxi 312, cancel my last, make a right, immediate turn northbound.
You're right, turn, Taxi 312.
046 line star, traffic alert, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles turning northbound, King Air 17. 046, go around, climb to 2,500 now.
In sight, Taxi 312.
46, runway 16 left, clear for the option after your option, fly runway heading, maintain 3,000. C312, start base now, runway 16 right, clear for the option.
Now 16 right, cleared option, Taxi 312.
046, after your option, fly runway heading, maintain 3,000. Cessna 59 Zulu, continue downwind, report at King Air, 4 mile right base to final.
And right base, looking for traffic. Traffic is at Cessna 59 Zulu.
Cessna 59 Zulu, follow the King Air. He's the first one that's heading to your right. Runway 16 right, cleared to land. Additional traffic, Cessna 5 miles straight in for the parallel.
After that traffic, we are number 2 and clear to land, 16 right, 59 Zulu.
046, runway heading to 3,000, contact regional departure.